Baby more.
See, no. See, some kind of songs they always just sit down where say no stress, no be say the holla vein they shoot for come out for your head or they give wala give what. When the concept of this song because the storyline beautiful, and you say now you write.
Let me write the script. Let me write the storyline. All my songs, let me write the storyline.
Wow. So much creativity, man. So much creativity.
We
And I really appreciate that one thing at least for your own side. But music now. How the whole music P they go?
As you can see, it's what we don't get for down now. We know they sleep on this one. Walk, they go like back to back. Before December at least, we'll drop like another like three videos. They must hear and they don't get choice. It's either they take it or they don't leave it.
They must know.
Either they take it or don't.
Here.
I did sleep before at the door. I don't wake up. No sleeping at all.
No, not here now.
No time.
So this particular video, this particular song, don't already tell people say, man.
Listen, I just by the way.
Now testing with this. Testing.
Yeah, because where they drop, I drop them like this. Yeah, but you got to come up. Any song where they drop after, the way I do my songs, if I do one song now, if you listen to this song bad, but listen to the one where you go drop out. Now like this, I go like this, I know they come down, never.
You go never. Red this year, you go battle everybody. But so far, album.
Yeah.
Album. Will they look forward to album soon?
Yeah, so we they work on the album.
Okay.
But me, I just be one of those artists who be say I know they like to deceive myself.
Okay.
If I never get at least like 4 big songs out there, the album go way too.
Go see your
as I did so, the album though, if them talk say make I drop the album tomorrow morning, I go drop them. I get songs.
Okay.
Every day me I dey work now. I get songs but me I don't believe in say make person they drop song like every day, drop this one now, drop this. But they kill like okay, this song I drop now, we be say everybody still they feel now.
Yeah.
People never feel I'm feeling, so I don't go drop another one, we go kill them again. You understand? The lifespan of music supposed to
stay for some time.
You understand? Even close to a year, you get close to a year. See my baby there, Alaja, where I do 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
If I go any party, if I go any wedding, if I go any show where I jam and people they still respond to them. And because I take my time to do better music, you understand? No be all those junk music where we say you just look say bang bang do this.
You all sweet us for a while.
No.
I know Nigerian people.
Yeah.
No, they get pity.
The song like old school after 3 months.
Exactly. So now it's better me person they cook the music, make the day very, very rich. You understand? So that people go feel they enjoy them for a very long time.
Okay. So that means one way or the other, maybe we just look forward to the singles that we will soon drop, plus the videos that we will soon reach outside.
Sure thing, yeah.
But your fashion side now, okay, you say you do fine art for school, and then so fashion now. What be your kind of fashion? Let's say because last time we been get your make casual, I understand one of your friends. Your kind of fashion, say not just for guys alone, because I know say because if I see your whole package and many things, styling also did somewhere for the whole P.
Yeah.
So just tell us a bit about your fashion and stuff.
Well, my fashion, my own kind of fashion, therefore, but the youths, the adults, they for everybody. If you like, make you get pot belly. By the time needles and stitches work on you, finish. This cloth will sit down on top your body.
Okay, so now your name of
understand? Yeah, it's called needles and stitches.
Okay.
It must sit down for your body. Whether you be lekpa, whether you be orobo, whether you be any kind of shape, it go sit down on top of your body because if you get extra belly, we go create the extra.
For the...
Do you understand? The package everything will sit well for the body, you understand? So, na social.
Okay. Yeah. And we see even some of us, our eye, they always choke for some plenty things. For your videos, say, like now your own things, then I
made the costume all my videos.
Wow.
Everything, I made the costume.
You don't even give chance. No. Before you know it now, you're saying that you go carve your own coffin.
Yeah, no, that would not be possible.
So when you start everything like this?
That would not be possible.
For your own wedding now, you only feel sing your song. Only now you go join yourself and your wife.
That's why I say now, it's share economy. Mean not the same work. The same thing. The same work all of us they do.
Okay. Now they try to round up the whole thing.
Okay.
For the young ones, they wait outside the way good. Also, so you want to say 1 or 2 things to, you know, most especially as regards say get another hustle, join this present hustle as a musician or entertainer where you want to become.
Yeah.
Just follow them yarn so that they also know how to put themselves. May not go jump enter the wrong
Okay,
thing.
what I would say, you see the for the young ones though and upcoming ones where they out there, we be say them to want join us for this matter, for this music industry. Don't be easy thing, no. They say what is what doing well.
Bam.
But I'll go always advise, say one thing where they come first now, education. You need to be educated before, say, you even want to enter inside this industry. Because if you no they educated, how you want get that kind of brain to take write better song, or how you want stand out for industry, how you feel take reason better thing will be say a lot of people go respond to.
Okay.
You understand? So education comes first. Then after that one, if you do music, you know say music no be waiting go last forever.
Yeah.
You understand? Now those days of them, you know, our fathers, them King Sonny Ade, them Obey, them
Yes.
Shino Peters, now
Yeah.
music they last well. But these days now, we don't know waiting they happen
Short
now.
lifespan.
It just they die natural death. You understand? So if now your time, use that time well.
Okay.
You understand? Use it will make you milk and will take better, you know, anything we get for there. Try invest, may they do better things. Dive into so many things. May not be saying only music. Get some kind things for side. So by the time we be saying then ring bell on top, you say your time don't finish. You feel do waiting, you just backslide, go me that in there. They, you know, they enjoy yourself, they make some kind of money.
Yes.
We go feel last you and your family. So that's not the advice I will give.
All right. Sexy Still. Quickly, when we go on this break, come back, we'll come do social media and Happy will take reach you.
Okay.
And of course, get your songs and all of that. All right.
Oh, wow.
So quickly, this break and we'll come back now. Still on the late night show, the Night Father Day here. Sexy Still. Quickly, Happy will take reach you on top social media.
If you don't reach me on top social media, she na pidgin when they talk about English.
pidgin,
I don't join the pidgin and English
You always
together.
have
They
some
say no
people
come
there.
smooth. You get no go again. So if you don't reach me on top social media, I am Sexy Still for Twitter.
Okay.
Now still the same thing for Instagram.
Okay.
I am Sexy Still.
Okay.
So make it follow me, I go follow back.
Bam. And if people want to get your songs, then we'll call.
If you now get my songs, I mean, I just Google any song where you want to get. Google them, then you know, if you download from any of those.
Social media.
Yeah.
All right. Sexy Still, thank you very, very much. We really appreciate the work we do.
Thank you.
We're happy to say you know be one of the over loud and noisy people everywhere. They give us some kind of tiring music and some music we go naturally suffer epilepsy and you understand? So thank you very much for this wonderful music, Seth. CC.
Thank you.
When they bust on my score, they bust my brain.
That's it.
With the area, we'd appreciate you and we'll say, God will carry you good. They go higher and higher and higher.
Thank you, man.
As before they watch you, they learn some kind of fashion things from a
Yes, sir.
distance. You understand?
Yes,
Sexy Still.
That's
Thank you
it.
very much, my brother. Thank you
That's
very
it, my
much.
brother.
All right,
Yes,
so
man.
guys, ladies and gentlemen, I see the late night show, and as it be like this now, for all of you now, we don't watch the whole show, so I enjoy every, and as it be like this now, we'll see you now tomorrow. For any extra gist one I want to give us, just jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for them, like your own gist, and then from there we'll know how things be. Okay, so from myself, my Sexy Still guest, and of course, Easy Beast on the Wheels of Steel. We don't touch me from the kind place today. Good night to everybody. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.